Hi friends, I am Dr. Rohit Ramesh Modi. I am an ophthalmologist, and since last 1 year since the lockdown has started, I am getting a lot of patients who have eye strain complaints, or what we ophthalmologists call computer vision syndrome. In that, a lot of times there is itching, there is heaviness in the eyes, there is burning sensation, and ultimately we are not able to work online. Since the lockdown has begun, which was last year, a lot of us are working from home or studying from home, because of which our screen time has significantly increased. In fact, our entertainment is also on the screen. So let's look at 5 points which can help you tackle this eye strain. First point is that we should take a break every half an hour for a couple of minutes. During that time, I would really request you not to move on from your laptop or desktop screen to your mobile screen, because a lot of times kids do is they shift from their desktop to their cell phone when the teacher gives them the break, and we also do that when we are working online. So ideally we do not get that break. We can probably move around, close our eyes, rub our palms, put it over our eyes, rotate our neck, stretch our arms and back. It will help us in the long term preserving our back and neck, or else a lot of us can face back and neck problems. Second point is that we need to blink more. When we're having a normal conversation with someone, we automatically blink our eyes. That's an involuntary response. We do not need to think about it. But when we are watching a screen, we tend to stare, we tend to blink less. Have you seen kids watching television? They simply stare. So we don't need to do that. We need to blink more so that there is less dryness in the eyes and it reduces the eye strain. Third point is drinking more water. Yeah, staying hydrated is going to detoxify you. Also, it is going to help you keep your eyes moist. So every half an hour, if you drink a glass of water, probably every half an hour you may need to visit the loo. That also helps you to increase the break from the screen, also keeps you mobile, it keeps you active. And water is the best detoxifying agent we have. So every half an hour, 1 glass of water. The fourth point is wearing the right power. So ideally, you can visit your ophthalmologist for an eye checkup. If the first 3 points you have done, steps you have followed, but you're still not getting a relief from the symptoms. And the last thing is, you can also use a lubricating eye drop, any drop which contains carboxymethylcellulose, which you can buy over the counter. Please stay away from gulab gel, or some patients have even gone and put some kind of oil or gomutra in the eyes. Those can be infective. Thank you.